The year is 2025, and the world watches as a new era for Bitcoin begins. The Bitcoin Act, a landmark piece of legislation, is in the works. This act paves the way for governments to add Bitcoin to their reserves, marking a turning point in the history of finance. Imagine a world where Bitcoin, once viewed with skepticism by many, now stands shoulder to shoulder with gold as a recognized store of value. This is the potential impact of the Bitcoin Act. Just like the Gold Reserve Act of 1934, which reshaped the financial landscape by backing the US dollar with gold, the Bitcoin Act could have equally profound implications for the future of cryptocurrency. But how exactly will this new law affect Bitcoin's price? And what does it mean for other cryptocurrencies, the altcoins riding in Bitcoin's wake? To understand the potential impact of the Bitcoin Act, we must first look back at history. The year was 1934 when the United States took a monumental step. They passed the Gold Reserve Act. This act had a simple yet powerful premise. It tied the value of the US dollar directly to gold. This move wasn't just about stabilizing the dollar, it was about establishing trust and confidence in the American economy. The result? A surge in the price of gold. You see, when governments with their vast resources and influence back an asset, people take notice. The demand for gold increased, and with it, so did its value. The lesson here is clear. Government backing translates into market confidence, which in turn drives up prices. This historical parallel provides valuable insight into how the Bitcoin Act might influence the future of cryptocurrency. Fast forward to the present day, and the Bitcoin Act echoes the principles of the Gold Reserve Act. By allowing governments to hold Bitcoin in their reserves, the act sends a powerful message. Bitcoin is a legitimate store of value. This recognition is a game changer. Imagine central banks around the world adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, alongside traditional reserves like gold and foreign currencies. This institutional demand could trigger a surge in Bitcoin's price, mirroring the gold price surge after 1934. The logic is straightforward: increased demand, coupled with Bitcoin's limited supply, will inevitably push its price upwards. This isn't just speculation, it's basic economics at play. But what about the rest of the cryptocurrency world? What about the altcoins, those alternative cryptocurrencies vying for their place in the sun? The Bitcoin Act's positive effects are likely to spill over to the broader cryptocurrency market. As Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, gains legitimacy and value, it paves the way for greater acceptance of the entire asset class. Imagine a world where investors, encouraged by Bitcoin's success, start exploring the potential of other cryptocurrencies. This increased interest could translate into a rising tide that lifts all boats, with altcoins experiencing gains alongside Bitcoin. This phenomenon is not uncommon in the cryptocurrency space. Positive sentiment around Bitcoin often spills over to the altcoin market, leading to a correlated surge in prices. This is not financial advice. If you're interested in diving deeper into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, I encourage you to visit cryptoventureinsights.com for insightful analysis and expert opinions. The Bitcoin Act is more than just a piece of legislation, it's a paradigm shift. It will mark the moment when Bitcoin stepped out of the shadows and onto the world stage, forever changing the financial landscape.